Hello guys, so I'm finding this creepy thing, this weird sound. I hate it. I really hate it. Just like look at this disgusting skin. If I lost it, a kraken. I'm gonna call it Karen. Why not? Let's see. Let's go book two. Go to book 2. Let's go. How I found this ending. It's called This Voice is Disgusting Me. I really don't like it. I really even don't like it. I really don't like it. Is it glitched? By the way. Yeah, it's not. Because I haven't do it in a while. Clicking! Perfect. There, look, the mummy skinny and the pig. What I do, there's book 2 guy. The guy, the girl, or her. I'm the taller guys. I'm the slender. Okay, I have to go this before. This music disgusts me. Okay, you have to go the ship map, chapter 9 or 8. I'm gonna say 8. Okay. There's alleys, store, refinery, safe place, sewers, factory, port, ship. We have to go to ship and because I know this. Okay, so just any mode. I'm just by myself. Okay. It's really important. Oops, sorry. Because I eat something. The fuel. Captain Bungie. We need to get the fuel and it should be there. I got it. Let's going. So, what do you need to do? You have to go this door. You have to go this door and go this door really quickly and go to this. 12. Do you see that weird music? It's disgusting me. I hate it. Because why I'm screaming? Because I hate it. Because I'm a crazy guy. Okay. Okay. Bye. And don't forget this. Bye.